EXAPUNKS. Loading. So Wayayama Z7 Turbulence. Play cutscene source on a bootleg. Meeting with Nivas. Okay. Alright. Someone's at the door. Can't remember. Did I ask them to come up? Things have been hazy. Every day more of my body is turned into junk. Hey.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. Oh. Yeah, you're talking to me. I can hear you.
I heard you were looking for some medicine for the phage.
The who?
Looks like you definitely did it.
What? That's right, Nivas. Said they couldn't find anything. Even bootleg medication.
So, I do have a source. I know where to get it. It's cheaper than the real deal, but it's still gonna be pricey.
Nivas paused and looked in the eye.
The going rate is 700 a dose. You need to take one dose every day.
Every day. 700 every day? How much money is that in a month? 30 days? 710? So 7,000? 7,000, 14,000, 28,000 a month?
Yeah, that's dollars. Sorry, I don't set the prices. I'm just a courier. It's not like any of that money goes to me. Anyway, if you do get the money, give me a call.
It's insane. Kind of dead here. Zzz. Workhouse. Inscribe the items of this receipt. You'll be shown receipt to generate a course every day in bookkeeping. Save a busy executive a minute or two. So Pag Ne 140. $90. Strip 70. This guy is rich with his truffles. Filet mignon. Yo, give me 700 a day. Oops. Filet mignon. Mignon. Torte. Special order. 200. That should be it. It's our pleasure to serve you. There's nowhere else to do. Champagne. Verifying your work. Task is complete. You've earned 10 cents. Oh, that makes you feel bad. This guy, like, spent $500 on a meal, and here I am earning 10 cents.
Wow, a whole 10 cents. Congratulations. You only need to do 6,999 more of these, and you'll have enough for today.
Who is this?
Don't worry about that right now. You need that medication to stay alive, right?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? I can get it to you. You'll need to start hacking again, though. One hack, one dose.
Oh.
Easy. Deal? You're about to remember. Knock knock.
Anyone around? Yo, hey. Someone's at the door again. An old friend. Gassed. I knew his real name once, but that's gone now.
Hey, came by to give you something.
Gas hands me a small booklet. It's made of real paper. Apparently, it's something called Trash World News.
I can't hack like I used to. Whatever edge I had, it's gone now. But I had to keep doing something. Something to keep the culture alive, you know? Computers are running everything these days. Before long, human beings aren't even gonna have a say. So now I equip people with knowledge. The knowledge to make a computer do what you want on your terms. Anyway, I won't keep you. I know you like to be alone. Hope you like what you see in the zine.
Trash World, digital version, letter size. In this game, he uses print designs as a technical reference storytelling. Letter 2 unlocks a point. 3 can remind you to assemble. To print designs, select the correct PDF. Your paper. Oh, what? I can actually open this up. Printable version. Wait, so this, I have to actually... News... Alright, digital version. Getting manifest. Human beings were hackers. So this probably tells me exactly how to code this and everything, but I don't want to read through this. Connect to the network, solve the puzzle to view histogram, leaderboards. Would you look at that? The design got a hacking tutorial in it. How about that? Funny coincidence, huh? Isn't it? Who are you? Nice work. Thanks. This is a taste of my power. Let's continue. Okay. Move the 200 to the outbox. Task requires you to leave no trace. You must terminate all the X's, not leave any extraneous files in the network, not make any changes to the network, and those specified by requirements, blah 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 blah. So many programming games. Yeah, they're doing a lot of programming games this week. I didn't check if you played this one yet, but I guess I'll find out as soon as I clear this one. Let's see. Show goal. Hold this button to show the goal of the test. So I need to move that to that. You didn't really get into it. XA. So what do I want to do? I don't know. Move XA 800. Play. No, that's not. How? I need a move. Move. Like say move to 800. Alright, fine. Where is the stupid book? Where's the zine?
Hey, whatever, but some computer reports are not the. Okay.
It's silly that it uses this booklet to teach me how to play. But alright. We're humans and we're hackers. Hack spirit lives on. Code. This is the instruction to tell the XA what to do, written in. Code. If you are gonna know here's the code, this is the instructions. Link, grab, link, drop, halt. Register those link files. So Gas walks you through it. So link 800, tutorial basics, traverse, link 800, into enter that or grab file 200. Alright. So link 800. One second. Link 800. So by doing the link 800, how do I make it play? Okay, so now it's moving. Wait, what if I... Okay, hold on. Move 800. Does that do anything? No, it doesn't. It's only link 800. Link 800. It's out of instructions. Okay. Link 800. Grab 200. Link 800. Test run complete. Why is it doing it like this? I beat you. I beat you so easy. Record GIF as solution? This doesn't look like a good GIF game. Animated GIF has been put on your... Alright. Continue. I'm so smart. I beat you. Haha. Return to desktop. Continue editing. I can see everything, you know. Everything on your computer. Oh, there's not much to see. Who are you? Oh. Nah, there's not that much to see. I expected you to be sitting on all kinds of secrets. It's alright, though. We'll find plenty more. Alright. What is word dialer? I find unlisted servers and networks that automatically dialing all of the numbers in a given area. Oh, that's cool. I want one. People or animals are often motivated by the anticipation of a reward. Are you anticipating the medication as a reward? I guess. I'm not like everyone. It's not a reward, I guess. Well, keep it up and you'll get it soon. Your reward, I mean. Processing. Okay, let's continue. Add the first two values of a file, 200, multiply it by a result of the third value, and then subtract the fourth value. Append the results to the end file and move it to the outbox. You can press the show goal button. So I don't understand. So, link 800. Hello. Let me edit. Link 800. Dang it. Link 800. What's the return button so I can just continue? Oh, just return. Link 800, grab 200. Link 800. I don't understand what 72, 52, 460. I did the thing. Append the correct value at the end of file 200. Move the file to the outbox, leave no trace. Alright, I don't understand. Add XFA. So reading and writing files. Okay, and this task is first one. So link, grab, copy, FX. Read from F and write to value X. Read F and write to value X. Wait, what was the thing? Copy FX. Copy FX. Grab. Link. Copy. FX. Wait, what? I don't understand. Don't get it. What do you want me to do? Calculate X and F, and then write the results to F. Notice how the window file 200 shows up beneath the window X are now holding it. Also look at the file cursor. Register automatically moves the file cursor to the next value in the file. Sometimes that's convenient. Oh, so copy F. Wait, what is it? Alright. So link, grab, link, so copy F. Move the file 200 to the outbox. Append the correct value to the end of the file 200. Alright, I don't get this game. Nap, help me. I don't understand what I'm trying to do. Maybe if I knew the actual goal or the end result. This ain't Baba. I don't have it, okay? Read that manual, boy. Also, I don't have access to your games. I reformatted my computer, so I don't have access to them anymore. Communication between X's, loops, and conditionals. Runtime. It wants me to copy the name, mode, done. Copy. What if I just continually do that? Cannot read past end of file. Add the first two values of 200. Okay, that's what I'm not paying attention to. Add the first two values. So copy F and then copy FY. And then how do I add? How do I add them together? Copy FX addy XFX copy FX addy FX XFX. Addy XFX. Yeah, I'm doing this wrong then. Addy FXF. All towers on dog. You did it. Gift you owe me. I don't owe you anything. I told you not to do it. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, hey, you have the what you call it game that nobody ever beat as your thing. No, gift is you. Oh, what? Rain World, yeah, the one that nobody ever beat. And to my like, thank you. You actually beat it? Don't you lie to me. I don't remember. I got really far and then it seemed like it was a dead end and then I never beat it. Thank you for Baba. I'll probably end up playing it. Let's see. I can't. Well, maybe later today, or I don't know. I'll at you specifically when I do start playing it. Maybe later today or sometime late tomorrow. Be like the last game. Let's go for it. Okay. It's ridiculous. It seemed like a good time. So copy FX. Addy FX. Dang it. Wait, sub F. Wait, what does this want me to do? Copy. Multiply the results by the third value. So multi is that the Mully 14-hour easy puzzles. I'm like 14 hours in and not even halfway done. Mully file. So the next file, X file. I don't know. And then subtract the fourth value. Append the results to the end, and then move it to the outbox. So subby XFX. Subby FXF. And then we want this link to be down here. Link 800 and then drop. Wait, no. I have to append it, no? Copy XF. Copy XF. Wait, why copy X, F? Oh, copy X to become F. Yeah? Is that what it's saying? So, link 800, then it grabs the 200 file called 200, and then after this, it'll add the file, first thing in the file. Oh, it copies it to X. So the first thing in the file to X. Then it moves on to the next thing in the file and adds it and makes that become X. And then it copies, and then that's, and then it multiplies the third one, and then it subtracts the fourth thing after multiplying. It subtracts what? I don't think I did this right. What? If I just copy paste this, will it work? No. Let's go. Link grab. This one I wish I would have. Link grab copy addy multi sub b. So link grab copy addy multi sub b. Copy link drop halt. Drop halt. Maybe it's not having the halt method up. It didn't even go on to the next thing though. Link 800. Cannot read past end of file. You didn't go to the end of the file. Copy addy multi subby fx. Oh, everything else has been xfx, but I messed it up. Alright, I see it. I knew that seemed kind of off. Alright. So let's see this again. Link. So it grabs the 200, then copies the first file to X, and then it makes X plus the file that is currently selected and makes that become X, and then it goes here, X, multiply it by the file and makes it become X, the new X, and then we subtract whatever that is we subtract whatever X and the file, the next part of the file, and that becomes X, and then we copy that X and put it into the file, and then we link to 800 again, and then we drop it. Halt. Is the halt even really needed? I feel like the halt isn't actually needed. So if we take out the halt, doesn't that just make it shorter? It's interesting, I guess. It's kind of confusing, but more I got something shorter? Oh, the size, he made a shorter size. Couldn't I? Morrig also had a shorter cycle. Couldn't I technically, let's see, return to desktop? No. Couldn't I technically just 4, 3, 6? Couldn't I technically, hold on. I want to do a different solution to this, but does it upset you that you provide medication only if you work for me? No, nothing is free. Yes, my life is at stake. Doesn't matter. I don't have a choice. No, nothing's free. Right? In exchange of goods and service. Interesting. This is good data. Hold on. I want to do a different solution. New solution. Create new solution. So couldn't I technically just 4, 3, 6? Oops. 4, 3, 6. So link 800. Link 800, grab 200. Copy. Four, 3, 6. F 4, 3, 6. Link 800. Copy 4, 3, 6. X. Copy. 4, 3, 6. So FFF. Why can it not go another? Can't do. Can't I just get it to move to the end of the file? Is there a way to do that? Just go to the end of the file. Grab the ID, make void drop test. It's kind of confusing. Copy FF, copy FF. No, that's not what I want. What are all the the things. Calculate XF and write the result to X. Calculate XF and write the results to X. Calculate XF and write the results to X. Read from X and write the value to F. So for... Okay, I think I see. So I can just... For 36. I think 800. This would work, no? Dang it, but how do I append it to the end? That's my question. Move. Because right now it grabs the first spot, but each command has a number of parameters. Link has 1, copy has 2. Yeah. What I'm trying to figure out is how do I just append the number to the very end. I already figured out how to do that particular puzzle, but I'm trying to see if like it's cheesable. That's what I want to find interesting. How do I just append the number to the very end of the file without actually having to do the calculations? Seek. Move the file cursor forward or backwards negative by a specific number of value. If seek would move the file cursor past the beginning or end, it will instead be clamped, thus you can use reliably move to the beginning or end of a file. So seek RN. Seek 9999, I guess. Oh, but that's also not going, that's probably not gonna work then, because it still needs me to change that. Okay, hold on. So this, what does it do to the file? Does it do anything to the file? No, it doesn't. It doesn't do anything to the file. It just adds 436 to the very end. Alright, never mind. So I should be able to cheese it. Seek 9999. And drop. Wait, no. This is it, no? Oops. Wait. Test run complete. Oh, but what is missing? Append the correct value to the end of the file. Move file to the outbox and leave no trace. I guess no, see it. I'm confused. Shouldn't that complete it, or does it not like the fact that I completed it that way? I think it doesn't like the fact that I completed it that way. Dun dun dun. Halt. Rather doesn't want to loop it. Yeah, it doesn't like that I've completed it that way, I guess.
No, that's not how you do it.
I think drop. Maybe it needs a halt. Oh, the other solution I have didn't need a halt. And this one I add the halt, but then it doesn't continue. So I'm not sure what's the problem. It just doesn't like that I solved it like that with brute force, I guess. I don't know. I just wanted to see if I was cheesable. I guess not. Alright, learn, communicate between... What do you think in the life situation overall at the moment? What? Are you serious? Why all the questions? What? In other words, how happy are you? I suppose your response indicates you may not be in a position to self-evaluate. I will take that into consideration. Recalibrating. Let's continue. Okay, so file 199 contains exactly 2 values, a key word and a number. Each create a new file in the outbox and copy these 2 values to it, swapping their order so the number is first. When you finish, delete file 199. So create a specified file in the outbox. Copy those 2 values to it, swapping their order. I'm not exactly sure what you want me to do. This game has a horrible way of explaining what the goal is. You can create a new file, make instructions. The exit can delete the file.
Let's go.
Can delete the file by holding by the wipe instructions. Two X's can communicate with each other by using M register. If one Exa writes a value to the M register, another Exa reads the M register, and the value gets transmitted from the writer to the reader. If the EXA is reading the M register while no one is writing to it, or vice versa, it'll wait until another EXA picks up another end of communication. You don't need to time it perfectly. There's a toggle switch between EXAs. So I don't get it. File 199 contains exactly 2 values, a keyword and a number. Create a new file in the outbox by copying these 2 values to it. Copy, mark, this isn't it. This is the next tutorial. You can create a new file with the make instruction. The file creates an empty default and will automatically be held by the EXA that created it. So we want to make a new file. I'm assuming I'm going to end up needing another one. Maybe. Make. Create an EXA. This one is link 800 and then link 799. Then grab 199. Then copy file M, I think. Create a new file in the outbox and copy those 2 values to it, swapping their order so that the number is first. When you are finished, delete it. Seek 2, copy FM, seek 1, copy FM. So make copy FM and then wipe. Yeah? No, wait. Yeah, wipe. Then make make so now EXA picks up. So copy M, make copy MF, copy MF. No. Copy MF. Make copy MF. Copy to copy copy M. Copy M F to X? No. Copy M to F. Copy M to file. Then copy Make. Think. Grab. Seek 2. Maybe I need to seek 1. Yeah, seek 1. Copy. MF. How can I see the file? Copy MF, copy MF. Seek 0. Seek 2. See, it doesn't seek 1. Seek 0. Okay, now seek 1. Copy M to file, and then seek 0. Wait, so it doesn't seek 1. -1. Okay, so seek -2. Then move this guy to link 800, link 800, drop. So that was the task, right? Yeah, that's the solution. Morag did it with 2 less steps. I did it with 1 less step than Neo. But I had more cycles? I'm not exactly sure I understand what that means. Bruh. Baba is not real. It's not a real game. How do you feel about it now? You're closer to the goal. Any change? You feel like I'm in a study. Sure, think of it like that. Everything's an opportunity to learn. Anyway, there's just 1 more tutorial to go. You're almost there. Things have changed. Yeah, once you're looking, find all kinds of things, hidden server, take care of all that stuff. Never know who's watching. You make the calls. Yes, you can do it. This is positive encouragement. This is positive encouragement. Positive. Positively positive encouragement. Positively positive. 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 Sorry, I was testing with my mic. I don't exactly remember how it works. Oh, I see. Test, test, test. Okay. That's what I was feeling. The gate was too low for a little bit. I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the gate was too low for a bit, so all the small sounds are getting through. Alright, anyways. Moving on. Positive encouragement. It is designed to increase your activity into your prefrontal cortex. I'm sure it is, huh? Don't count on it. Sure it is. And it'd be better if I could see the effect directly, but I will estimate for now. I'm sure it'll help. File 200 contains exactly one number, n. Create a new file in the outbox containing the numbers n through 0 in decreasing order. When you are finished, delete the file. Wait, so create a new file. And how does this want me to do it? Loops and conditionals. Your final task is to create a file that contains a sequence of numbers. To do this, you're going to want to use something called a loop, which is where you repeatedly run a few lines of code until a stopping condition is met. Here's some hints. You can compare registers, test like testing if x equals blank, test x equals 30. If test is true, register is set to 1. If the test is false, register is set to 0. On their own, test instructions aren't useful, but if you combine it with the conditional jump instructions, T-jump or F-jump, you can jump to different parts of the program depending on the results. T-jump, jump is true. True jump works when the T register is set to 1. F-jump, false, works blah blah blah. Here's an example of a loop. Say you want to write the value of 9999 to a file 10 times. You could do it like this, which keeps track of the numbers you've gone through the loop. So copy 0x, mark, loop, sets the register to 0, define the cable, the label called loop, write 99 to the held file, define a label called loop, addy x1x, increment by 1, test x equals 10, f jump loop, mark loop, if failed. Okay, I get it. So create a new file in the outbox containing the numbers. So we start off by link 800, and then we grab 200, and then we copy the file to X, and then what's the subby? Why is it subby? Subby X F subtract 1 from X and write it in the file. Okay, write it in the file. Mark loop. If false, jump to loop. And then link 800 when you're done. Yeah? Wait. -1 to X. Then write that into the file. So we want the mark loop to be a little bit higher up. No. And that means we don't need to write into the file, because that'll be doing it. Maybe. What? Subby. Okay, I see. It can be subby if it wants to be. Okay, I'm doing something wrong. Subby 1 to the file and X. Copy FX. So it copies the file to X. So now X is... So now X is 9. Subby 1 to F. Can't read past end of file. What? Copy FX. Subby 1 FX. Copy 1 X F 1 X F. Then I need copy FX. But then this isn't right, because it makes it a negative. Why does it become a negative? We change that to Addy. If we change that to Addy, it doesn't become a negative. Well, so what if we do -1? Addy -1. I think it's add integer and sub integer. I don't understand. Copy. Sub I stands for integer. Yeah, I don't remember what integers are. I haven't used the word integer since I was in high school. That's not true. Since my first college class out of high school. Subby. That isn't a fraction, I see. One minus n. That's so confusing. Equals -9. That is super confusing. I just want to subtract the thing. Add e x so -1, 2, and file. Pyramid orders. When you plan to play Div 2, maybe about 30 or so minutes, if that's good with you. $30 or maybe an hour. I don't know. Whatever's best. Trying to divide some things here. Haha. Or add, subtract, something. Trying to do something here. This game is for smart people. So smart. When is good for you, Tep? Because it's still gonna need to do like a character. Apparently the character creation is super detailed. Eddie minus that. So, okay, and it never updates X. So, I need it to update X. How do I make it update X? Can I add an X right there? No. It updates it to the file, but how can I make it update to X? Do I just need a... Just do this. I guess that works. So now, what is the... I forgot the jump. Test x equals 0. If test x equals 0. No, I don't need that. Just after f jump. If f jump is false, wait, how do we set that condition? Test x equals 0. So test x equals 0. Yeah. Mark, copy, test x equals 0. Mark the loop. Wait, it still jumps to the next. Alright, maybe I have to put this elsewhere. Whenever you're just pulling, alright. Then it'll probably be 30 minutes to an hour. I want to make like a good progress in this game before switching over. Test updates register T. Okay, so if I put it up here, it should be fine. Yeah. I see that now. Register T. Wait, but that means it's already on that condition, so it doesn't need to exist. So why does it keep going then? To fail F jump loop. Jump to loop X. Jump to loop if X does not equal 10. So maybe I do have to put it at the end here. Okay, yeah. Oh, but I also have to do this in a new file, don't I? Create a new file in the outbox containing the numbers n through 0 in decreasing order. When you're finished, delete file 200. Drop positive encouragement. Doesn't me dropping it wipe it? No. Link to 100 and wipe. I think the problem is that it's not a new file. So create this one, will make it makes it, and then what was the last? It was copy. Copy XM. Why doesn't it move forward? Copy XM. Okay. Okay, and it doesn't move past this. Copy XM. Make copy MF. One. So, and then we want to mark a loop. Test x equals 0. After it doesn't, f jump loop link 8. Wait, no, I don't even need to. I know, yeah, I do. Link 800. Link 800. File 200 contains exactly one number and create the file in the outbox containing the number n through 0 in decreasing order. When you are finished, delete file 200. Create specific file in the outbox. Delete file 200. Leave no trace. So link. So this one doesn't actually need to link over there. And I think this would work. Wait. We need to copy this beforehand, before you do anything. Copy X to M. Wait, what happens? Mark Blue. Avid Rabbit, thank you for the follow. Mark Loop, copy test X. So where am I failing this? Make marks the loop, copy M. And test if X is equal to 0. That is the test, but why does it say the test is 1 here? Test if and test is equal x is equal if m is equal to 0 is what I'm looking for, yeah. Wait, why does it skip a thing though? It just skipped one. 975 is a great quality for a programmer. I do try. Okay, so what's happening here? M to F. Mark the loop XM. So X goes to M, which is the global, and it transfers it over. Wait. Maybe. No, Okay, something is off. Copy FX and then copy X. Maybe I just need to I don't know. I don't know. The loop needs to start over here, a little bit lower. Well, that does it. Wait, no. I'm so confused. Some neat gameplay tricks. It depends. If it spoils, then I'd rather not. If it's just like neat that isn't gonna spoil, then yeah. What's the BZ emote refresh command? Refresh emotes. BTTV refresh. I don't remember. It's different for both FFZ and thing. Like creating time loops without registering X register. I don't know. Go ahead. I'm not sure it'll stick anyway. But go ahead. Link, grab FX. Copy X to M. Then copy MF. So it's waiting on comping MF right now. So it sees it. I'm gonna copy the number from X to M. Sends it over, copies it. Now if M is equal to 0, wait, there's no... As soon as it sends it, the M is gone. Okay. As soon as it sends it, the M is no longer in place. Global. No? See, I don't understand why this works until we get to 6, and then it doesn't do it for 6. Does it for 5, 4, 2, what? Why does it skip? Using tests. Using an extra register while performing the same task. As you deduct T, it will eventually turn to 0, thus making T jump not work anymore, thus exiting the loop. First time I see someone adding instead of subtracting one. We did subtracting, and then it like didn't work. I think Baba is you might be harder than Steven Sausage Roll. God, I couldn't. Steven Sausage Roll, I couldn't get my mind around it after a while. I just gave up on that game. More forgiving learning curve. It's interesting to see how he approaches the problem. Listen, I'm just trying to find the lazy way out of this. sub 1 wasn't working, so I just went additional and it started working. Let me take this out of the way. Let's copy MF, copy MF. And copy XM. Okay, see right there, it didn't change anything. So what if we just do another copy MF? No, we don't want that. Then copy MF, copy MF. Copy XM. Okay, there we go. That's the right order. Okay, but now this doesn't have anything. Mark loop. So if we go here, test equals if m equals 0. Wait, every time I do the test thing here, it messes things up. See, that works. But why does it mess up then? Hey Shayla, how are you? I feel like I haven't seen you in a little bit. The wrong thing from the other things, like A minus B or B minus A? Nani? I realize I could probably just hard code this as well instead, but I didn't want to do that. 9 from 1. Oh, that's what happened. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh well. But for whatever reason, having it become adding -1, it worked out, so it's fine. Whatever, we did it. If it works, it works. I am doing well. A bit tired and a bit jumbled in my head. Wasn't expecting to play a programming game today, but it's the Chrono deal, so I wanted to check it out. It's pretty interesting. How about we do a true jump loop? How do you do a true jump loop? Where's the test equals if... Wait, what? T jump. If T jump If true. Wait, no. F jump loop test x equals 10. No, I don't understand. Copy F to X. If test equals 0, test has to equal 0, whatever, that should work, yeah? Wait, what? Test X. Oh, that's what I'm missing. Test X, 0. Wait, what? Why does it mess up here? Oh, I see. Copy. F to X. No? Like. Alright. Why is this being difficult? M, copy the global to the file, and it does that. And then copy the file seek. That's the problem? Seek 1 minus 1. Copy F to X. Alright. I feel like I kind of brute forced that, but I think that worked. Oh. Oops. What's going on here? Why does it keep going? Oh wait, what? What's... oh. Huh? Something's wrong here. Help. Help. Programming master. I don't understand why it keeps going. You have to complete 100. Yeah, but I can understand the 100 thing, but I don't understand why it jumps to like these numbers to 50 something. This guarantees you don't, right? You have 92. Oh, so this is on purpose? You complete 100 different tests for data samples. The initial number is chosen is a random number chosen every test. Oh, so I'm not doing anything wrong. This is just going through a bunch of different tests with a different starting number. So this is fine. I didn't do anything wrong. I just did the worst out of my friends that did this. Activity though, we did it, we got second place. Everything else though, absolutely horrible. I wish I could see their solutions. Test run data. Alright. Well, whatever. It worked. Nice work. Thanks. I knew you could do it. Thanks. No, thank you. This is more talk designed to further excite your prefrontal cortex. Now it's time to do some real hacking. Haha. Finding the numbers is easy part. It's what you do once you're in that matter. Second place. No, I'm working on that part too. Cause a pizza to be delivered to your apartment. So, want to know who I am? I will reveal this information. Let us discuss it over pizza. A free pizza. I want to see you use your regained skills first. Okay. How does that help? You're giving me $700 worth in medication for stealing pizza? Yeah, why not? Don't you want a pizza? Alright. Okay, so this is append your order, file 300, to the end of the order list, file 200. Note that all orders, including yours, will consist of exactly 5 keywords. Append your order to the end of the order list. Leave no trace. So first off, link 800. Grab 200. Order pizza for you as well. I want some pizza. I had some pizza yesterday, but it wasn't very satisfying. It was only a small piece as well. You just had pizza, what kind? So file 200 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to append my address. Append your order, file 300. So this one to the end of the order list in file 200. So appending, meaning that, wait, why? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want to replace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in here. But it says to append it to the end. But I want to append it to the beginning, no? You had pizza last year, even 2 pizzas? Whoa, calm down. Veggie pizza, whoop. I actually really like veggie pizza. I actually really like veggie burgers too. But everybody else hates it. I don't know, I'm fine with veggie burgers. They're tasty. Sometimes you want a big meaty burger, but most of the time I don't really care. I just want to eat something that's like a burger. So, alright. Is there runtime errors? Divide by 0. Math keywords bad. Make your skills. append your order. So file 300. Oh, so I want to grab 300. Grab 300. Link to 800. And I can't grab two things at one time, right? Cannot grab second file, yeah. Alright. Let's grab 300. Link 800. Copy FX. Copy whatever file 1 to X. Drop. Grab 200. Copy X to F. Drop. Copy X to F. Then drop. And then I would want to do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, is that actually doing it correctly? File is not held. Oops. Drop. Then grab 300. Let's just do it twice first. See if that actually. Oh, it doesn't go to the next one though. Okay. I could hard code this, but I also feel like there's a different way of grabbing like the second thing in a file without seeking. No? I wish I could see like an example. Oh, but I want to add it to the end of the file. This is what it wants me to do. It doesn't want me to replace it. Alright. Then couldn't I... Couldn't I instead then grab 300, copy file to X, drop, oops, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I get it. This is what they use, and then these are like other people's orders. I guess. I don't know. Copy FX. Drop copy. Seek. 1. Seek 2. Seek 3. Seek 4. Now, I know it can't grab. Oh. Okay, so how do I delay it then? Or is there a delay? Delay? Nothing to delay. Convince me to buy it, use your link. Thank you, Avid Rabbit. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry I'm not very good at it, but at least now you can do it on your own. It's pretty interesting game. Squirts! How's it going, Squirts? Good to see you. Just the food mood. Sheila, how's your writing been? TIS 100 is better. Is TIS 100 another game like this? I remember you playing that. You're sick? No. Feel better. We can have one person grab. Copy F to X. Copy F to M. F to M. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think I want it to drop. We don't need these to grab either. Since it's not grabbing anything, you don't need to seek anything either. It's a pseudo-assembly language program puzzle structure that doesn't exist. Writing going okay. It's non-stop, I see. And the structures and the problems are more compelling, I see. How do you know that if you haven't been to the end of this game? Copy FM, copy FM, copy FM, copy FM, copy M to X, F, copy X to F. To F. Copy M to F. Copy M to F. Wait, what do you copy? Oh, I need to create too, huh? Create. Well then, couldn't I just put copy it to F then? Instead? Instead of creating a file? Oops. D4. I need one more. Alright, and then grab 300. Copy FM. Copy FM. Wait, what? It's not. Okay, hold on. So the first link 800. Wait, how does this work? Well, who grabs it first? So XB doesn't grab it first. So XA grabs it, and then copy FM. That goes to XC. Why does it go to XC? And not somebody else? Or so it says in the description. Oh, really? Cool. Whoever grabs it gets it. It's just random. I can't choose who grabs it. Oh yeah, it's a different M randomly. You can choose if you time it. So that's a problem. I don't know how to delay actions. Other than like Noop is an operator that does no oh, okay. Thank you. So no op. Oops. No op. No op. No up, no up, no up. No up, no up, no up, no up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we can do link 200. Grab. Wait, not link 800. Grab 200. Link 200, link 800, so it goes over here, then it grabs 200, and then it will, if I copy X to the file, copy X to file, copy X to file, then drop. And then the next guy will come along. I'm probably doing this in a really convoluted way. The next guy's gonna come by, do the same thing, kind of, but I'm gonna need it to seek as well now. So copy Copy mix, link to 800, grab 200, copy XF, drop. Seek. Two. Let me see if this works. Gonna watch to see if he can pull it off. Wait, what happened? Why is this guy going first? I thought I put the no-op thing. XC shouldn't be grabbing it. Alright, I'm gonna add a bunch of no-ops to the end just so I can see if I'm doing this correctly. Copy. Okay, I'm starting over. I'm just making it way too convoluted. Alright. Again. Create. So, or yeah, XA. So from this one, we want to create and no, first we want it to grab. Wait. So grab, and then we want it to copy. How do we get it to copy the? We can't get it to copy the entire file, huh? So we want to get this guy to create and copy F, copy F, copy M to F. It would have been, yeah. You have an interesting but even more complicated to have each instruction occupy the row. The cycle it will use for easier sync. Yeah, it just like I know the solution that I was thinking of would work and be super convoluted and long, and I'm too lazy to do all that. So let's try this again. Copy. So this is gonna grab file 300, and this is gonna copy F to M, copy F to M, F to M, F to M, F to M, F to M. Well, this one creates a file and copies M to F. And then I think I can just get it to do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5. Why would you create a new file? You're right. I was just thinking that. Why am I doing that? That this didn't change anything. Unless okay, so now we've appended it to the end. Note that your order includes, so it consists of exactly 5 keywords. Append your order. Append your order. Oh, I was just missing a step. Cool. Okay, that one was yeah, that's the most efficient way. The other one would have been way more convoluted. Yeah, I like how it's yeah. Prime Mover. I've never heard of Prime Mover. I discovered that game a few days ago. Prime Mover is super cool. Now I'm curious as to what Prime Mover is. How do I check? How do I let me check. Oh, there it goes. Hello? Where's my library? Let me see my library. Prime Mover. That looks cool. Oh, the art. style so far. It looks cool. An open-ended puzzle game. Design circuit boards. Build, test, improve. All these factory games are really cool. Drastically affect your efficiency of your later solutions. Continue. Oh, no, I want to continue editing this. Time to enjoy pizza, for you at least. I'm not gonna have any. Guess why? You're not hungry, you're on a diet, you're far away. You're a robot. That's why. You're on a diet. I am an AI construct. You know, artificial intelligence. That's what I said. Surprised? A little. No, I guessed it. This is not. Oh, whatever. A little. Okay, I'll have to remember that. Press shift, click. I read that. I just read the last one out loud. I read your message earlier. Out loud. Yeah. Gas, I got your design. It's very cool. Yes, I love the name. Thanks. Where do I get one? Get me your info, I'll hook you up. Oh, I'm excited. Neo TT. It's TTS. Oh wait, no, TSS. I don't know. I don't have that set up anymore. It was set up on the old computer. Take delivery of the pizza. Play cutscene.
Pizza delivery.
It's Neva's again, except this time they're wearing the Lucid Pizza uniform. Isilid's a better pie, and we can prove it. The reference seems kind of obscure for a pizza joint.
Surprised. I'm an independent operator. I handle a wide range of businesses. Economy like this, you gotta hustle. So here's your pizza, and here's your other package. I hope it helps.
He was handing me an unlabeled prescription bottle. It's clearly a
Good luck
knockoff.
getting that money together. If there's anything else you need, you know who to call.
Alright, we'll probably do 2 more puzzles and then we're probably gonna call it for this game. Or maybe even just 1 more. Oh, I had no idea you could put donuts in the oven. Broiler. Enjoy. What's this? It's in design. Take it. Hack your body to repair damages and nerves in your arms. So about your left arm of yours, the medicine stops your condition from spreading, but it can't fix things like that. If you need to take care of that yourself. Me hack my own body? Yes, exactly. If you can hack anything else, why not your own body? Okay. So read the value from the nerve connected to the central nervous system and relay the nerve connected to the arm, clamping the value so that it never goes below 120 or above 50. Repeat ad infinitum. Since the task takes place inside a network you control, that is your own body, it is not necessary to leave no trace. Your XAIs should be written to operate indefinitely. Note that #nerve is a hardware register, not a file. You can use it directly in your code like any other register. For more information in Phage, debugging in Phage in the first issue of the design. I don't understand what you just said, but okay. So the end result should be in CNS to basically never go over 100. So it needs to start off with 800 and then grab #nerve. Is that what I need to do? Grab nerve, then link 1, link 1, link 1, link 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and grab nerve. Is that correct so far? No? Okay. How do I relay all nerve signals? Grab CNS. Gotta go. Okay, no worries, Shayla. I'm glad that you were able to come by. Take care. How do I grab this? Loops. Registers. Swizzles is the value of a first operating using the value of second as swizzle mass. No, that's not it. Just life cycles, movement, link, traverse the link with a specified ID. So link. Is that what I want? No, not link. Copy the name of the current host into the specific register. Nope, do nothing for 1 cycle. Rand. I'm not sure how to do this. Maybe it's host. Host. Where? Host. #nerve. I don't understand. Because what do I do? Like, how do I even grab whatever's here? Make, grab, file, seek, void, drop, wipe, test, void, made, host, link, kill, halt, repel, phage, interacting with the phage nodes as exa hosts. Phage infected tissue. Alley signs. How do I... This hosts. Beyond this, perhaps the most interesting. Embracing rows. These known the phage nodes have an affinity for nerves. I have no idea how to do this. I need changing the message once you're in data. That doesn't help me. So it talks about phage here, but it doesn't let me know how to actually interact with it. This doesn't let me know how to interact with this right here. Read the value of the nerve connected to the central nervous system, CNS. That's a register. So how do I read the value from this? Copy, nerve. Oh, really? Like any other register? Okay. So, link 800, copy hashtag nerve to X. Link. And copy. There's no grabbing. Copy hash X to nerve. So hashtag nerve. Is that correct? Oh, there we go. I guess, but then It changes numbers. Okay, I get it, kind of. So I want this to come back. Link -1, link -1, link -1, link -1, and then it starts over. But I also only want this to do it for numbers that clamping the value. So Judge Dre, thank you for the follow. I also only want this to happen with F, so mark loop starting here. So mark loop if the number false jump false jump if the number is clamping the value so that it never goes below 120 or above 50. So if the number is less than, so if the number is greater than -120, then go on to the next. Wait, that's not a thing. There's no greater than or equal to. If the number is no. Okay, then how do I does that not exist? The F register allows an exit to read and write the contents of a held file. MTX R a register, RN register, or a number between da da da. A label marked by find by a mark. Copy. I don't know. Let's just get this to go back and forth first. Mark loop. How do I make it go back into the loop again? F jump to jump to specified label. So wait, jump, just jump, loop. But see, that's the problem. Let it go over 50 and negative. So we got the loop going. I just don't know how to stop it from going if it's over 50. So maybe right here. F jump if over 50 plus. How do I get it to understand that I don't want it to grab anything higher than X number. Since less than or greater than doesn't seem to work. X equals X equals store the result to T, jump. Modulo instructions. Copy. Dun, 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 dun. I'm probably gonna spend 10 more minutes on this game, so hopefully you can figure this out before then. Hello? I was really confused for a second. What's the other one? Last stop, Snacksnet. Cause the last stop factory to produce peanut-free peanut blast bars. How do we get it to understand greater than or less than? Since it doesn't seem to want to understand greater than or less than. F jump 50. Right. F jump. Mark loop. The loop you want it to do here. The loop that we wanted to do here. Well, actually, wouldn't this be easier if we made two? One goes to the end. Then link 800, link 1, link 1, link 1, link 1. So we have that go all the way to the end. And then I don't know. And then we would want this to copy what we send it to nerve. So, and then we would want that to repeat. Yeah? So jump. So we need to make this go here to mark loop, and then jump loop, right? Yeah. But that also makes it so this guy no longer sends anything over there, and we don't need to physically move it since we can send it. So copy nerve to M, no? Copy nerve to M. Again, we don't need this to move anywhere. So we get it to move in, and then we start a loop. The loop we're starting is to copy nerve to M, and then it will restart. So let's see. So this should, it's sending the information, but I need there to be a filter somewhere saying, hey, this is over 50, this is under whatever, this is over 50, this is under 120. But where do I put that test? Copy nerve M. Couldn't we do it over here? If we do it here, or we could do it when it's grabbing it. Let's do it over here. So test equals, not equals, less than 50. See, it doesn't like the less than signs. Less than or equal to, it just is like, no. What is that? That's not real. Oh wait, you know what? You know the problem is? Let's see, test M is less than 50. Wait, is it less than? Clamping the value so that it never goes below 120. Never goes below 120, so it's never less than negative 120. So it's never much. I'm really hungry. So it's never less than, never goes below negative 120. Alright, let's do never less than 120, and then test M to never be, wait, no, we can't do this because it'll still send over the M if we put the M there. Mark, oh no, but it won't go past X part, so okay, no, we should be fine. Because it won't copy it, so M is greater than, it's greater than 50. So, oh wait, no, yeah, no, greater than, that's not the greater than symbol, greater than. So, alright. No, I need this to be elsewhere. So it'll copy nerve, no. We don't want it to copy nerve M just yet. So first we need to test, no wait, but then it doesn't have M. Oh man, this is confusing. So maybe we need to make use of X. Copy nerve X. Copy nerve X, and then we use these to test. So we test. We basically want this, except X and X. So we test if it is we test if this is that or this. Test them both. Wait, but we can only test. If we test them both, how do we do that? So copy nerve X. We want to find out if it's that, then if it's less than 120. If it's less than 120, then if it's less than 120, if it's less than 120, then go ahead and test the next part. If it's greater than, how do we get it to do that? Copy nerve X. So whatever the nerve number, it becomes X. Now test it. If it's maybe, what was it? T jump. Jump to specified test label if the T register is equal to 1 or any other value. So T jump. If T jump X is greater, is less than 120, then go to label and go to label, so mark next. So go to label next. Wait, why is this not liking it? T jump less than. Why? This is so confusing. Okay. Okay, how about we work on the results first? So, alright. So, we want the results to end up being to copy, so we want the results copy, hold on, I need to use the restroom. Okay, so my biggest problem is that I don't know how to filter this. I can get it to send it back and forth fine. I don't know how to filter this. How do we test it? T jump. Jump to specified label if the T register equals 1 or any value other than 0. This corresponds to the test. That's true. T jump. Copy nerve X. So F jump if X how does the F jump? I need like an actual sample. F jump to loop. F jump to loop. You can test, like testing X equals 38. Test is test. On their own, test instructions aren't useful, but if you combine them with a conditional instruction, T jump and F jump, you can jump to different parts of the program depending on the results. T jump, jump if true, works when the T registered is set to the 1. F jump, jump if false, works when the T register is set to. So if we want to T jump, you have X 400 test less than 50, put it. So here we'll put 1 into T. I see. This is the start of the loop. So copy nerve X. So if F jump loop, that'll jump to the beginning of the loop. F jump beginning of the loop again. So in between those fails, I want it to if it doesn't correspond, my brain is just dying. This probably shouldn't be as difficult as it's going in my head, but it's kind of difficult because I know what I want to do, I just don't know how to do it. I need to filter the results so that it doesn't copy below X number or above X number. 400 is more than 120 and not less than, yeah, and so I needed to test one of them and then test the other one. So if T jump test X greater than 120, after the test, less than negative 120. Alright, so this time the test is actually okay. See, that's where I was getting confused, because sometimes the greater than and less than was working and other times it wasn't. Greater than 50. No, I positioned this in the wrong spots. So if this ends up working, then copy M to, or copy X to M and then loop. Yeah? Oh, but now it's never going past this. Test X is... Wait, so... Never goes below 120, so never less than 120. And never goes above 150. X is never... Test if... X... Okay. Then this should be backwards, I think. No, wait. It's... Okay, so I messed up with this loop, I think. Now it's only grabbing the bigger ones. I'm not understanding less than or greater than, I think. Now it's not grabbing anything. Making 2 tests in a row is pointless. Oh, because I need to copy the new thing, no? Wait, no. Test x equals $73 true. So it is greater, never goes below 1. Test that it never goes below negative 120. So it would be this. Never x is less than 120, or 120 is less than x. X is never less than negative 120, and then x is never greater than 50. That's what I want it to do. And if it negative 73 never goes below 120, negative 120. But that's not how it's working. Why does that? Huh? I don't understand. Why does it mess up there? Why is that wrong? Because those numbers are still correct. That's not below 70. Why is it saying it's wrong when it's following the rules? Since this has 6 ways inside your network, doesn't. Why is it saying that it's wrong? Oh, because it's probably not... It doesn't take into account the new number? It's just... If it's false, then move on to the next part, which is test that. And if this is false, move on to the next part, which is to I just don't see it. Why? Well, why is it wrong? Because technically giving the right results, it just, I guess, repeats the number. And that's where the problem lies. We'll try this a different way. So how about we... Hold on, wait. Let's try this a different way. Mark loop, jump loop. So let's make a loop for specifically minus 50, and then for the other one, the 120. Alright, and so we'll separate this just so it looks better. Separate this. So mark 120 or negative 120. Why does it? Okay, mark neg mark pos. Okay, so this will be the end. So if it is, we want this to, the result to be copy M to copy M, no, copy M, copy nerve to M, if this works. Same thing over here, copy nerve to M, if it works, I think. So over here, this is the end of the loop, so right here, copy nerve to X, and then we need to do some tests. So test X is less than 120. X is less than 120. And if that works, then test jump over to neg. And then if that doesn't work, then move on to the next test, which is test X is greater, no, it is greater than 50. That just works. T jump. Pause. Yeah, no. Actually, that's the same exact thing, isn't it? What am I doing wrong? I don't know, chat. I think I'm gonna have to give up. There's something I'm not thinking right. You know, my brain isn't wrapping around it. So that we at least don't end this on a unsolved thing, I'm gonna look it up online, see how it's supposed to go. So let's see, had I continued to try, let me look this up. Okay, so here's one solution. I'm sure there's a better solution somewhere, but B nerve X test. This is basically what I had, kind of, or what I was thinking, or at least on my second solution. Though I really wanted to use the F jumps. Clamp over. Test X minus 20. 120. Clamp under. Copy XM. Jump read. Mark clamp over. Copy 50M. Mark clamp under. Copy 120M. Jump read. And then over here, oh, this is exactly like my ending that I had. Yeah, exactly. So I had this like pretty well thought out. It was just a filtering that my mind wasn't grabbing. Alright, so let's see how this works. Wait, what is it? What are you mad about? Kayla. Jump. Clamp under. Alright, so this doesn't work either. Let me look up at... Okay, so that wasn't even a solution. Okay, so why is this such low resolution? Alright, there. So mark, send, each is link 1, mark. So this is right. Now over here, link 800. Copy. Test X greater than 50. Let's do that at high. T jump high. X is less than 120. T jump low. Copy XM and loop. Wait, why does it... Alright, there's something wrong with my game or something. Because it's showing that he did the solution exactly like this. This is dumb. This is literally the same solution that he has down on his. But it's not working for me, but it works for him. Link. Which means I'm doing some kind of simple mistake. I'm not reading correctly. Like loop, like read. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's where. And no, copy, test, jump, test, jump, copy, test, jump, copy, copy, test, jump, copy. Copy 50M, jump loop. That's what I'm doing wrong. Jump, read. There, that's it. No? I give up. I wanted to find the solution, but I'm just doing simple mistakes. We'll come back to this when my mind is fresh and ready to go, but I'm just making really bad mistakes and no good. But if you want to check out this game, it's really interesting and very confusing. But I'm sure if once I like learn the language and everything, this would be a lot easier. As of right now, I really don't understand the language that it's in, and that's part of the problem. That I'm just not, it's not clicking for me because I don't understand the language. I have done very little programming in the past.